You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. In English, if you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Ejaculate. You have either an short E sound as the first syllable or an A sound. So listen carefully. Ejaculate, ejaculate. The stress is on the ja syllable. Ejaculate or ejaculate. Those two pronunciations are similar, but remember that you need to stress on that ja syllable. Ejaculate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.